Do you know that bulldozers are powerful machines? Bulldozers are designed to move large amounts of earth and debris, and are capable of pushing, pulling, and lifting heavy objects. In this video, we will explore the history, features, and uses of bulldozers. The history of bulldozers. The bulldozer was invented in the early 20th century by Benjamin Holt, an American inventor and businessman. Holt's first bulldozer was designed to help farmers clear land, but it soon found its way into the construction industry. Features. They typically have a large blade mounted on the front that can be angled up or down, and sometimes side to side. The blade is used to push, lift, and move large amounts of dirt, rock, and other materials. Their uses. Bulldozers are used in a variety of applications, including construction, mining, agriculture, and forestry. In construction, they are used to clear land, level foundations, and move materials. In mining, they are used to remove overburden, haul ore, and construct roads. They are also used in military operations, where they can be used to clear landmines, build fortifications, and move heavy equipment. In conclusion, bulldozers are powerful, efficient, and capable of performing a wide range of tasks. Whether you are working in construction, mining, agriculture, or any other heavy-duty industry, a bulldozer can help you get the job done faster and more efficiently. Do you have bulldozers to sell? Visit our website, sellyourconstructionequipment.com, or call 214-773-0207.